In this short video, we'll demonstrate how you can convert your PowerPoint slides into interactive e-learning tutorials with AI tutors to guide the learners. In today's educational landscape, instructors face a significant challenge. Converting classroom PowerPoint lectures into engaging and interactive e-learning content has traditionally been time-consuming and technically demanding. Introducing Instancy AI agent-based learning platform, the revolutionary solution that transforms PowerPoint presentations into interactive e-learning experiences. Your PowerPoint slides may contain text and other media elements, or you may add extra notes for specific instructions for the AI to follow. Getting started is simple. Upload your existing PowerPoint presentation through our intuitive interface. Select all the multimedia, interactivity, and quiz options you'd like AI to generate. Select the PowerPoint as the data source, click on Generate with AI, then click Next. Watch as our AI transforms your PowerPoint slides into a fully interactive tutorial, complete with text, images, audio narration, and even automated assessments. Fine-tune your content using our user-friendly authoring tool. Regenerate a specific web page or add custom multimedia elements to any course page with just a few clicks. Break language barriers instantly. Generate your course in multiple languages while maintaining instructional quality. Review your complete course, including navigation and LMS integration features. White label the course using built-in course theme design features. Publish your course with one click to Instancy Learning Management System and assign it to your students. Students access a fully responsive, multimedia-rich learning experience. Your course comes with an optional intelligent AI tutor, available 24/7 to answer student questions in multiple languages. Download the course as a SCORM e-learning course package to play the content on your LMS. Transform your PowerPoint presentations into interactive e-learning experiences with AI tutors helping engage learners, faster and easier than ever before. Start your free trial today.